Dixon Valve is a manufacturer of fittings for fluid transfer industries. Before additive manufacturing, we used to either shop out a lot of our tooling production or use our in-house machining capabilities to produce tools ourselves. We're using a larger robotic arm to transfer many styles of our parts between two vertical turning centers. To that end, we utilize the Markforged Parts as our transfer gripping system.
This is a quick change jaw for a robotic cell, and what it allows us to do is keep this metal part permanent and fixed, and allows us to rapidly change out this Onyx jaw here in just seconds.
Prior to using 3D printed tools in the cell, we were machining each tool individually, and it would take a fairly large amount of time.
With Onyx, we were able to retool a robotic arm in a manufacturing cell in under 24 hours. Onyx is one of my favorite materials because it combines a more stronger composite material with the chemical resistivity of nylon. It hits the sweet spot for us in chemical resistance and strength. Adding this FANUC robot to our frac cell has allowed us to accommodate these larger parts, these larger petrochemical transferring parts without hurting the operator and creating a better, more efficient workspace.
We 3D print the tools that are picking them up now, which is pretty amazing.
I would say Markforged is a critical company. It's a critical component in our design process, and it's really changing the way we work to the point where we're actually altering our procedures and plans to accommodate this groundbreaking product. If I had to tell somebody on the street what's great about this product, or what's great about Onyx, or what's the coolest thing to get out of it, I would say it's your imagination. If you can think of it, you can create it.